a body is just revolved in a vertical circle. Body is revolved in a vertical circle of radius r. So see here, body is revolved in a vertical circle of radius r. When body is at the highest point, that string will break. So here that string will break. The horizontal distance covered by a body after the string break is. Now when string breaks, when body is at its highest point, then that body will travel and it will fall on the surface of earth, and let that body covers a distance x. We have to find out that horizontal distance x. Remember, when body is revolving in a vertical circle, then the velocity at the highest point, velocity of body at highest point, what is that formula for velocity of body at highest point? V is equal to under root of g into r. Now what is the initial vertical component of velocity? Initial velocity in vertical direction is 0. Initial velocity in vertical direction at highest point. Initial velocity in vertical direction is equal to 0 at highest point. So if that body falls through height h in a time t, if I say that body is falling from height h in a time interval t, means if body takes a time t to fall on the earth, and if it is falling from the height h, that body is falling from the height h and it takes a time t to fall on the surface of earth, then we know that height h is equal to half gt square, or t is equal to under root of, you remember this formula, under root of 2h divided by g. Now in horizontal direction, 2h divided by g. Now in horizontal direction, velocity of body remains constant. In horizontal direction, we know that as far as horizontal direction is concerned, velocity of body, it remains constant. So that velocity v is constant in horizontal direction. So distance covered in horizontal direction. What is the distance covered in horizontal direction in time t? Distance covered in horizontal direction. What is the distance covered in horizontal direction? X is the distance covered in horizontal direction. This is the horizontal direction. So distance x is equal to horizontal velocity multiplied by, what is the time taken? It is t. Time taken is what? T. So let us put the value of velocity v. What is velocity v? Is equal to g into r. Time t equal to under root of 2h divided by g. So let us simplify this. So this is equal to under root of g into r into 2h divided by g. So this g get cancelled with g. So it is equal to under root of 2h into r. But we know what is the height? Height h is equal to, see here, r plus r is 2r, and that is the height from where that body is falling. So as height h is equal to 2r, therefore horizontal distance x is equal to under root of 2 into, now in place of h we can write 2r into r, so that is equal to under root of 4r square. That is equal to 2r. So that horizontal distance x is equal to 2r. So there might be a numerical on this type of questions. You always remember that whenever string breaks, when body is at its maximum height, then the horizontal distance covered by that body is always equal to 2 times the radius of that circular motion. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Option C, that is 2r, is the correct option for this question.